Hi, welcome to our virtual classroom. I'm going to post, or this will be posted on our Google Classroom as a file in our morning message every single day from now on. You're going to see a little room that looks just like this, and this will be attached with it. Just like I showed you this before, if you click on almost anything, it will bring you to a new place. For example, we have our letters right up here, our Foundations alphabet. If you click on our Foundations alphabet, it will bring you directly to our keywords and letter sounds. If you click on the window right here, it will bring you to the weather in Inwood where our school is for the day. If you click on our mood meter, it's going to bring you to our attendance form for you to fill out to tell me how you feel. If you click on our virtual classroom, the whiteboard, it's going to bring you to our assignments for the day. If you click on any one of our teaching points, it will bring you directly to the assignment. Here it says reading, so it will bring you to our reading assignment for the day. Here it says math, so it will bring you to our math assignment for the day. Here it says foundations, so it will bring you to our foundations assignment for the day. And lab reports, it will bring you to our lab reports for the day. If you click on the math poster, it will bring you to Zern. If you click on our calendar, it will bring you to our calendar for the day for you to go through. If you click on me, this is if you need to send an email to me, and this will be our Google Meet time if we have one. So I do want to talk about this for a minute. Today, I have a Google Meet from 10 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. and this is for math only. Then in the afternoon from 1 o'clock to 1:30, we can talk about lab reports and reading. So please join me if you would like to talk about any of those two things on Google Meet. This will bring you just to our classroom library, which will be right here, which is another video of me talking you through that. These are just extra science resources. And that is it for all the things that are linked. So feel free to fool around with it, click on a bunch of different things. If you would like to go through our assignments this way because it's easier for you, you can do that every single day. If you would like to do it how we normally have done it, then that's fine too. One last thing I'm going to show you is if you click on the computer right here, it's going to bring you to a page called typing.com. A lot of us are getting familiar with typing, and sometimes it will take a long time to get us to submit something. So this is just to help you practice typing. You would click on the first thing, and I already started it. It says resume, or it means continue, and it just is supposed to help you continue to type. So it says press enter to begin, and then it's asking me to type these letters. So F, 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 J, F, 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 J. And it's asking us to have our hands positioned like this. You do not have to do this. This is just an extra thing for you to do if you would like to practice that. Okay, I hope you enjoyed our virtual classroom.